Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Excel, save any open work, and then go straight to the File tab because that's where version details live. Click File and choose Account when available. Older releases show Help instead. Once you open Account, scan product information for the exact version name and Build. This tells you what features and updates you have. Knowing the version matters for compatibility and templates. If you see Office 365 or Microsoft 365 wording, that signals subscription updates rather than a one-time purchase. After locating product information, click About Excel to reveal the full version string and build number. This is the precise identifier experts use. Once done, make sure to check the bitness. The About window will state 32-bit or 64-bit, and that determines which add-ins and drivers will work. Also verify whether the label says Office 365 or a specific year like Excel 2016, because subscription releases update differently. These details explain why a feature may be present or missing in your copy. Now interpret what you found. The year or product name tells feature set, while the build number shows update recency. Together they guide compatibility and troubleshooting. If you need the latest fixes, go to Account right arrow Update Options and check for updates. Subscription users get updates more often. If you can't access File or Account, try opening Excel in Safe Mode or check Programs and Features in Control Panel for the installed product name. If that fails, restart Windows and reinstall Office as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.